Ready to ditch messy spreadsheets and effortlessly collect data? First, open your Airtable base and select the table where you want your form submissions to automatically appear. This table will be the destination for all the data collected through your form. Now, click the plus form button next to your table name. This action initiates the form creation process. You'll be prompted to name your form. Choose a clear and descriptive title that reflects the purpose of your form. Airtable offers a variety of field types to gather different kinds of information. Use single select for multiple choice questions, multiple select for options where users can choose multiple answers, and text fields for free-form responses. Explore other options like date pickers and file attachments to create the perfect data collection tool. Tailor the form settings to match your brand and data collection goals. You can modify the form's title, add a description to provide context, and customize the confirmation message that users see after submitting the form. Finally, share your form with the world. Generate unique URL to share directly. Embed the form on your website or collaborate with your team by sharing it with specific individuals. With Airtable Forms, data collection becomes a breeze. Now you can easily streamline your workflows, gather valuable insights, and focus on what truly matters.